Welcome to this NC Live crash course. In this video, we'll explore how to use Hoopla to access ebooks and audiobooks through NC Live. Whether you're looking for bestsellers, timeless classics, or books to help you learn something new, Hoopla has you covered. We'll also cover key features and using the mobile app to take your library on the go. Let's dive in. To access Hoopla, visit nclive.org and search for Hoopla in our A to Z list of databases. If you're new to this resource, you'll need to create a free account using your library card. Once logged in, you'll land on Hoopla's homepage. From here, you can browse categories like ebooks and audiobooks, or use the search bar to find specific titles. In the NC Live collection, we only have ebooks and audiobooks. Some libraries in North Carolina have subscribed to additional content, such as music and streaming video. If your library has the NC Live collection and does not subscribe to additional content, you have one borrowing option, which is Flex Borrows. Flex Borrows operate like a traditional library loan, where only one person can check out a title at a time. If the title is currently checked out, you will need to place a hold on the title. Then, you'll get an email notification when that title is ready to be borrowed. Flex Borrows can be checked out for 21 days, and you can borrow up to 5 at a time. On the homepage, you can see how many Flex Borrows you have each month. Let's take a closer look at Hoopla's ebook and audiobook collections. Select Browse, and we'll choose Audiobooks to explore some of the available titles. Hoopla features a wide range of genres, including romance, mystery, self-help, and more. Whether you're looking for an inspiring memoir or an action-packed thriller, there's something for every reader and listener. Here are a few that you might not know are available in Hoopla. The entire Joe Pickett series by C.J. Box is available. This Western thriller would be a great pick for fans of Yellowstone. There's also nearly all of the Anna Pigeon series by Nevada Barr. This series follows park ranger Anna Pigeon, and each book is set in a different national park in the United States. For readers who like mysteries or thrillers with a strong sense of place, this series is a good choice. It helps to search by genre to get an idea of what's offered. For instance, if you search in the romance genre, you can see that we have some titles from the Outlander series and a few standalone titles by Elin Hilderbrand, who's arguably the queen of the beach read. For ebooks, you can start reading immediately in your browser. For audiobooks, just hit play to start listening. Use the playback controls to adjust the speed or skip ahead. Want to take your ebooks and audiobooks on the go? Download the Hoopla app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in with the same account you use on your computer. Your borrowed titles will sync automatically, so you can pick up right where you left off. With the app, you can also download titles for offline reading and listening. Once you've borrowed a title, go to its information page within the app. You may need to tap the item's title below its cover to initiate the download. The content will download to your device, and then you can access it offline. This is perfect for when you're traveling or have limited internet access. Let's recap the top 3 things to know about using Hoopla. First, Hoopla offers a wide collection of audiobooks and some ebooks in the NC Live subscription. Second, Flex Borrows operate like a traditional library loan. Only one person can check out an ebook or an audiobook at a time. If a title's checked out, don't fear. You can place a hold and will receive an email when it's ready to borrow. Finally, the Hoopla mobile app allows you to enjoy offline access and seamless reading or listening on the go. Thanks for viewing this NC Live crash course. To explore more of Hoopla and other resources available through NC Live, visit nclive.org. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful crash course videos. Happy reading and listening!